If I told you there was an exercise that would help you burn fat, improve your posture, boost your testosterone, improve your strength across all other exercises, and even help you get the best night's sleep you've had in years, would you start doing it? Deadlifts are a compound exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, making them an excellent addition to any strength training routine. In this video, we will be discussing how deadlifts can benefit you in all those ways and more. Let's go. How will deadlifts help you burn fat? Well, in a few ways. Firstly, deadlifts can help you increase your overall muscle mass, which can help to increase your metabolism and burn more calories at rest. Additionally, deadlifts are a high-intensity exercise that require a lot of energy to perform. By performing deadlifts, you're burning a significant amount of calories in a short period of time. This high-intensity exercise can help to increase your overall calorie burn and promote fat loss. Deadlifts can also have a positive impact on hormones that regulate fat loss, such as growth hormone and testosterone. These hormones can help to increase your metabolism and promote fat loss. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Deadlifts, as an intense exercise, can help to improve the quality of your sleep, leading to increased testosterone levels over time. Lastly, the increased energy expenditure from performing deadlifts can help to burn more calories during and after your workout, leading to greater fat loss over time. Speaking of the quality of sleep, deadlifts allow for this because of the fatigue they produce in the gym, but I'm going to tell you how you can counter that unwanted fatigue later on. How do deadlifts improve posture? Deadlifts can improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine and promoting proper alignment of your back. Deadlifts primarily work your back muscles, including your erector spinae, which help to support your spine and keep it in a neutral position. When you perform deadlifts, you engage these muscles, which over time can lead to greater strength and better posture. Deadlifts also engage your core muscles, including your abs and obliques. These muscles help to stabilize your spine and maintain good posture. When you perform deadlifts, you're required to engage your core muscles to maintain proper form, which can help to improve your overall spinal alignment. Deadlifts can also help to reduce lower back pain by strengthening the muscles that support your lower back. When your lower back muscles are strong, they can better support your spine and prevent poor posture. How do deadlifts improve testosterone levels? Deadlifts can improve testosterone levels by engaging the large muscle groups in your body, such as your legs and back. Engaging these muscles can cause a spike in testosterone levels, which can promote muscle growth and fat loss. Additionally, deadlifts require a significant amount of energy to perform, which can lead to increased testosterone production. By performing deadlifts regularly, you can improve your overall testosterone levels, leading to greater strength gains and fat loss. How do deadlifts improve strength across all other exercises? Deadlifts improve strength across all other exercises in a few ways. First, deadlifts require a significant amount of muscle activation, particularly in your legs and back muscles. By performing deadlifts, you can improve the activation and recruitment of these muscles, which can help you to lift more weight and improve your overall strength in other exercises. Additionally, deadlifts require a strong grip to perform, and by incorporating deadlifts into your routine, you can improve your grip strength. Improved grip strength can help you to lift heavier weights in other exercises such as pull-ups or rows, leading to greater overall strength gains. Deadlifts also engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine during the lift. By strengthening your core through deadlifts, you can improve your overall core strength, which can help you to perform other exercises with better form and greater strength. Lastly, deadlifts are a high-intensity exercise that require a significant amount of energy to perform. By incorporating deadlifts into your routine, you can improve your overall fitness level, which can help you to perform other exercises with greater intensity and for longer periods of time. This improved fitness level can lead to greater overall strength gains in other exercises. While deadlifts offer many benefits, there are also some potential cons to consider. Number 1, injury risk. Deadlifts are a heavy and demanding exercise that can put a lot of strain on your back, hips, and other joints. If you don't use proper form, you could be at risk of injury, such as a herniated disc or pulled muscle. It's important to start with light weights and focus on proper form to minimize your risk of injury. Number 2, fatigue. Deadlifts are a high-intensity exercise that require a lot of energy to perform. If you're not careful, you can end up fatiguing yourself too quickly and not be able to perform other exercises effectively. Make sure to pace yourself and take adequate rests between sets to avoid excessive fatigue. Place deadlifts toward the end of your workout and focus on volume, not weight. This will maximize their benefits, prevent you from any injuries, and lower any unwanted fatigue. The thing is, even after learning all of these powerful benefits of deadlifts, you still won't be able to reap what they offer in full unless you're eating right. So if you're going to start deadlifting or already are, make sure you're eating the foods you'll find here in this video to really get the results you want.